Okay, today we are going to start with the assets, and for that we will first create a master data in assets. But for that, we need an asset class company code. We already have a company code, but we need an asset class. So in order to see how we can actually configure, let's do some basic configuration. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, uh, asset accounting, organizational structures. What is our company code?
FI46, sir.
FI46. Okay. First, we'll copy the reference chart of depreciation. Copy from chart of depreciation to FI46. Okay, we'll take chart of depreciation journal. The default sample chart of depreciation. It will have everything, and you can then change the configuration and the settings and the rates. You want transport? Yes. FI46. It is copied. Okay. First thing is done. Okay. Specified description. FI46. FI46. Oh, that's enter. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. FI46. FI46. Assign a target ledger group to 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, and so many. Okay. Accounting principle not assigned. Okay, okay, okay. We cannot assign until we have an accounting principle with chart depreciation, and that is find how depreciation posts to general ledger. Okay, FI46 target group accounting principle will be 60 for gap. And let's keep it 60. Zero L. Okay. Save. Chart depreciation assign a target ledger group to area 51. Okay. Area. Okay. Page down. 60. Save. Chart depreciation area, posting indicator not allowed in 03. Okay. Page up. Posting indicator. Special reserves, special tax. Let's delete it. Save. Will be deleted. Okay. Asset level. Okay. 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 Fine. This is an important step basically. In now, to assign chart of depreciation to company code F546. F546. Save. The transaction code is OAOD. Numbering assignment across company codes, asset classes. Next is asset classes. Uh, Account determination. We'll be using 11,000 for buildings. Okay, just that because then we'll have to configure every single class. Asset classes, buildings. Okay, account determination means account determination GL will be integrated at account determination. Screen layout means layout of the screen will be according to the buildings. Okay, number range is 0, 1. Okay. Specify charter depreciation dependent screen layout account assignment. Okay. Buildings, chart depreciation. Chart depreciation 884342 new entries. F546. Screen out will be 1100 and account determination will be 11,000. Save. Integration. Define how depreciation post. We have already seen this. Assign GL accounts. AO90. FI46 account determination is 11,000. Buildings, balance sheet accounts. Over here, we will need balance sheet APC. APC is acquisition production cost. That is capital account. Okay. Acquisition for down payments, down payment clearing account, loss made on asset retirement without revenue, clearing account revenue from asset sale, gain, loss, and we'll have to maintain that. So let's maintain it. FS 00. Double F42 assets, building APC. Copy GL account to FI46. Save. FI46. That is accumulated depreciation of buildings. Save. Unplanned depreciation, FI 46. Save. Clearing accounts, interim asset clearing, FI 46. Contra acquisition value, FI 46. Expense asset loss without revenue, asset sale loss, depreciation expense buildings, 546. Expense account and planned depreciation, unplanned depreciation, income account, clearing asset sale, FI 46. Asset sale gain, write up, ordinary depreciation, write up, unplanned depreciation, recon account, local vendor special vehicle that is done, import sales tax, published. Okay, zero balance clearing, adjustment, foreign currency, foreign currency, foreign currency. Okay, expense and income. Next step is zero, financial accounting, general ledger, business transaction, document splitting, classified GLs for document splitting. Double A 42. Uh, 80400. 80201. Balance sheet account. 80400. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll plug the accounts here. Balance sheet account APC. Balance sheet account. Cumulative depreciation buildings. Cumulative unplanned depreciation. Okay. Accumulated and building APC are recon accounts. Accumulated depreciation, this is also recon account. Clearing account revenue from asset sale. Asset sale. Asset sale gain. Loss from asset. Clearing sale to affiliated company. Loss made on asset retirement without revenue. Clearing asset sale gain. Expense account. Clearing account. Interim asset clearing. We have not made this. Oh no, we have made 546. Interim asset clearing. Depreciation. Double click. Double click. Accumulated depreciation for ordinary depreciation. Accumulated depreciation. Expense account for ordinary depreciation. Below zero, revenue from write-up on ordinary depreciation. Revenue, we will do this later. Special depreciation, unplanned depreciation. Okay, unplanned depreciation. Expense account, accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation. Oh, expense account for unplanned depreciation. Below zero, revenue for interest. Okay. Save. Okay. We are done for today. We'll then plug more configuration and then start and use the next one.